Eagle Creek is a wonderful place for families to gather together and enjoy the outdoors. It also has our water supply. The longitude and latitude of Eagle Creek Reservoir is 39.958 and negative 86.257. Eagle Creek and Eagle Creek Reservoir is a lush green environment filled with different kinds of trees and plants. The water is full of algae and plankton and different kinds of water grasses. However, the banks and the shores include sand and tall marsh grasses and shrubs and trees. Abiotic factors include rocks, sand, and the sun. Biotic factors may include the grasses, the trees, the fish, or the plankton that live in the waters. Eagle Creek and Eagle Creek Reservoir is home to many different kinds of fish, 27 to be exact. These species may include a crappie, bluegill, catfish, and minnows. Due to the variety of animals, there is a variety of animal interactions in this habitat. One interaction may include a crappie and a minnow. This is considered a predator-prey relationship. The crappie is the predator, while the minnow is the prey. The crappie will end up eating the minnow for energy, and the minnow will be no more. Here we have another relationship. However, it is much less vicious. Here, a butterfly is feeding off of a wildflower along the bank of the Eagle Creek. This relationship is considered herbivory because the butterfly is gaining energy from a plant. Predator-prey relationships are not the only relationships that exist in this habitat. Here, there are many varieties of symbiotic relationships. In this environment, a deer and a tick are a representation of a parasitic relationship. The tick feeds off the deer's blood, and because of this, the deer loses nutrients and becomes weaker. However, not all relationships are negative. Mutualism is where both organisms benefit. In this environment, bees and plants benefit from one another. The bees spread the pollen for the plants, while the plants give pollen to the bees, which will feed them and help them gain nutrients. Because this environment is so vast and has many different animals, it is important for niches to exist because it helps other animals flourish. This niche, a fallen log, is perfect for termites because it has an abundance of small spaces and wood for them to eat. These termites would be considered a heterotroph because they are unable to make their own food and rely on other plants to gain their nutrients. Eagle Creek and Eagle Creek Reservoir is incredibly important to Scienceville. The loss of this area would totally change how we view our area, our town, and how we interact with it. Let's say there is a mass pollution in Eagle Creek or Eagle Creek Reservoir. The end result would be devastating to the town. Mass pollution of Eagle Creek or Eagle Creek Reservoir would be devastating for the animals in Scienceville. If they were to drink the water and digest it fully, the toxins in the pollution could get into their bodies and cause them to become very sick and unwell. This could cause epidemic-like deaths and make it so many animals die out and we lose the vast majority of our species. Also, plants could also become very sick from it because they rely on the nutrients in the water, and obviously they would not have that, and the water pollution could get them very sick as well, and we could lose a lot of our greenery. Besides our animals and plants, we could lose a great sum of our money because if we were unable to drink our water, it would cause us to have to buy bottled water, or at least make it so we used less water. Using bottled water would definitely take up a lot of resources and would take away a lot of people's money. It would also make it so people do not want to move into Scienceville, so it's harder to sell homes, and it would be hard to escape this pollution. Remember to take care of our river so future generations can explore the beauty of Eagle Creek.